Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where space is used and preparing to delete the biggest items. Open your Google account storage view so you can target Gmail specifically. Once done, empty spam and trash immediately. This frees space instantly and prevents recounting. Then run a targeted search like has, attachment larger, 10M or larger, 5M to surface bulky emails. This narrows your work so you don't waste time scrolling through every message. Focus on the obvious space hogs first. Now you act. Select the search results in bulk and delete or archive messages in manageable batches to avoid mistakes. Make sure to download any attachments you want to keep to Drive or your computer before removing the emails. You'll reclaim space without losing files. Also apply time filters like older than 1Y or newer than 6M to remove outdated conversations. Once a batch is removed, check storage again so you can pace the cleanup and confirm which steps freed the most space. Finish by verifying your storage totals and giving Google a few minutes to recalculate quotas. Changes may not be instantaneous. If you still need room, decide whether to enable Google One or buy additional storage versus doing more cleanup. Weight cost against effort. Make sure to clear local app caches and check Drive and Photos for duplicates that consume space. If something goes wrong, sync issues or attachments stored in Drive often explain discrepancies, so resync and rescan those services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.